Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Let's start. Open CapCut. Go to New Project. And add 13 photos. Select Format 9:16. Adjust photos to full screen. Delete the end part. Now add audio. Audio link is given in the description. Now set photos to this time duration. Now apply animation to the photos. Tap on photo, go to animation, then choose it. And apply zoom 1 effect to the first photo. Now apply rock vertically effect to the second, third and fourth photo. Apply zoom to effect to fifth photo. Now again apply rock vertically effect to sixth, the seventh and eighth photo. And apply zoom to effect to ninth photo. Again apply rock vertically effect to 10th, 11th and 12th photo. And apply zoom to effect to 13th photo. Now check video. Now apply blinking effect. Go to effect, then slide left to party and choose black flash. And apply this effect till the end of first photo. Now check. Now export. Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.